Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 68 of building the Ecto-1. This time we're starting the body. This is the engine framework, big metal piece which we're going to be playing with. We are fitting brackets to it first. We've got two plastic brackets there, which are shaped and will have to go the correct ways round. The shaping goes so the round bit is middle. I've got this even the right way up. Yes, it's the right way up. And they need to go putting away from there. Right, oh, that bit. I've got it the other way up to the way they've got it in the picture. So let's get it that way round. One of these goes here and one goes there with the shapes coming in from the bottom just like I've got them. I've got them the right way round without even trying. They are going on there with two BM screws holding them in place. So let's get those out. That's BM. I'm aware that I'm just at the bottom of the picture there, so let me maneuver things around a little bit so you can see more what I'm doing. While I'm doing a bit of building on this, I might as well show you. So yeah, we'll move that back a bit there, like that. That's going on there like so, with two of these BM screws holding it in place. Don't need that screw. Don't know why I've got that one still out. So that goes in there with the other one next to it. I'll get these all tightened up off camera. Save making the video too long and boring. It's just going to be a little bit long and boring. Well, it's not even going to be long. All of these part work videos seem to be coming in quite quickly at the moment. Whether that's because I'm getting better at them, I doubt it. Or it's just that things are happening quite quickly in there. So we'll see. But that is that. The hood pin next needs to be located with another BP screw. And you would need another one. BM, not BP, not BM. We've only got a couple of them. There must have been another one of those screws escaped that I just can't see because the frame's probably in the way. I'll find that and make sure it goes back where it should be. But this is going in here. It goes in from the top and the screw comes in from the bottom. So that little pin will go in there like so. And that screw will hold that in place. Line it up. There we go. Nice. That's just the latch for the hood. Next up, we've just got one sticker to affix, or rather two, but sort of one. We've got to put the backing on this and then fit it to that. So I'm going to use a pair of tweezers to make that easy. We have some double-sided tape here. So if I take off one side of the tape, and then fix that to the back of this, like so. That's not done it. I've peeled off the wrong bit. This is now the sticky bit that I've just dropped. So let's try putting that in place on there like that. That'll do it. Get rid of the rubbish. Then I can peel off the other side of this. Like that. Yep. And then this fits. Where does this fit? I'll put it down. Sticky side up for now. It is going onto this corner here. Now which way round? That's the real question, isn't it? It's going to have to be read from the outside. What does it say? Remove the backing. It just says stick it on there, but it doesn't show in the picture which way round it's going to go. That way. I'm assuming it's going to be visible. It looks like it's that way up, I think. That's the way up I'm going to put it. And it's just going into that corner there. You're never going to see it on my model. I'm never going to open the hood of the bonnet anyway, so it makes absolutely no difference to me. But that's where I'm going to put it. There we go. That is that, and that is another stage completed. So thank you very much for joining me. I hope you're enjoying it. Do let me know, and I shall see you soon for more. Bye bye for now.